Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and I'm here with a quick little look through the Cocoa Daisy Planner Classified and the sticker subscription, which were missed from my original unboxing because they missed them out. But all is well, they arrived within a week and I thought I would dig in and share with you. So I have already been through these and I just thought I would share with you anyway, so do bear with me. So here we go. So sticker subscriptions. This is new this month and it's quite nice. Oh, I've left that in there too. Oops. So the sticker sheets are roughly, I think, twice the usual sort of Cocoa Daisy size. There's a real mixture of things in here. So there are 6 sheets altogether, and first up is a page of full boxes which are all decorative and obviously fit with the theme, and then some long strips down the bottom. So there's one that's kind of wide and then 2 narrow ones, and they're really nice, you know. I mean, they are, I think I had one sheet that was catching a little bit, but they are actually pretty good. So yeah, so they're really nice. They've got quite a faded vintagey type look, but I think that is actually just the design this this month. So there we go, so there's that one. Then there's a sheet with some labels, hexagons, these icons, which I do feel are a little bit too big for like the personal pages and the mini, so not sure whether I might save those for my daily pages or to use in my Erin Condren. I'll have to see. Not that I'm really using my Erin Condren very much, but that's a whole other story, another video. And I like these little bows down here, they're really cute. It'll be interesting to see sort of whether this is going to be a standard layout and format and in terms of shapes each month, or if that's going to change. Then we have some to-do todays and menu plan and next week and this week. Now, I'll be honest with you, there's a bit of it that's going, I'd really much have preferred it if I could have had those all in like pairs of things, because I've got here, I've got 3 yellowy ones of today and to do and then today, but I haven't actually got a matching one for that. And I've got an extra to do here. And there's 4 menu plans, but there's 2 next week's and 1 of this week. So it just feels a little bit, for a month, I'm not sure. I just feel that even numbers would have been nicer. Then we've got 3 little things, some deco down here, weekend banner, yay! Don't have to make my own as much. And again, some icons which are pretty large. They are quite big. I think I personally prefer smaller icons. And I'm just looking and trying to decide what a couple of them are, because I'm like, ooh, what actually are you? It's this one down here that's giving me some problems. I think it might be meant to be a luggage suitcase or something, not sure. Anyway, yeah, probably. It probably is. And then some heart checklists, which I need to check if they line up with the lines in the planner. So let me grab my planner and we can try it now. Okay, so I get to a daily page. And no, they don't. Okay, so again, I don't know, since I don't get it, whether the A5 pages have the same spacing as the personal pages. Perhaps they fit the A5. Don't know because I don't get it. But yeah, so very functional page. Then we've got lots of quarter boxes, half boxes, some wordfetti which I really like, and then 3 hydrates down here. Again, this gives me a little issue because I'm like, but there's 4 weeks in a month, so doing things in 3s is a little bit irritating to me, because it means that I can't be consistent. And I think that's the thing, is that even though I might not be consistent across the month, I like the option that I could be. Anyone else with me on that? You know, you just like the option that you could be. So I've got 3 habit trackers, 3 stars, 3 heart quarter boxes, some half boxes. Love the one with birds. And then yeah, this wordfetti's great. And then the hydrates, which to be fair, I don't really use hydrate stickers anyway. I might do it on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, sorry. That would be quite interesting to try, because I've been kind of ticking it off my daily pages. And then we have some, as it says there, clipboards, trackers and lists. And I love the little clipboards, they're really cute. And then, so we have 4 of those, then 2 Monday to Sunday little lists. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the clipboards, sorry, I didn't see that one in the middle. And then 2 large habit trackers. So these have got, oh, you know when to come off, I was going to take one to show you. There we go. So these have got space for 1, 2, 3, 4 habits on there, Monday to Sunday. I think I quite like that. And then there's some little, like, what I would call little thing event labels down the bottom as well. So we've got there 3 meal, sort of like knife and fork, 3 TVs, 3 calendar and 3, I'm guessing that's intended as a computer. And then we have the washi strips, and this is on like a translucent paper, and there's 3 strips in each section, is it? Yes, it is. And then some watercolour swatches across the bottom. So there's like this kind of height and then this kind of height, and they're really cute. I'm just looking again because I'm just thinking about where I can use those, because obviously they're not gonna do the width there, but I would use the roll of washi that comes, but going across we can trim. So yeah, really sweet. So that's quite nice, something a bit different. I guess the nice thing about the sticker sub, of course, is that it could sit on its own if you have an Erin Condren planner or a Happy planner or anything that just has the 1.5 inch wide boxes, or columns I should say. You can get this and just get it by itself. So yes, so looking forward to having a play with that. Be interested to see what I actually do with it, because you know, stickers, I like stickers. And then the classified. So I have already opened this, so let me get in. So it's not quite a true unboxing, but hey, never mind. So this is the first time that I have got the classified. I don't subscribe to it, and there just happened to be one in the shop, and I thought, oh, do you know what? I've got some, I've got a voucher to use. I'm going to give it a go. So inside here are basically little extra bits and bobs that used to be available as extras on reveal night, and I wasn't quite sure at all what to expect. So first of all, there are some puffy paperclip toppers and hearts, and you get the paper clips to make those as well, so quite like that. Nice little bit of extra something in there. And I have seen, I can't think who it was, I want to say, was it Teage Plan Craft? Can't remember. Somebody on Instagram, one of the Cocoa Daisy design team, had actually used these to trim them off and use them at the top of a bookmark rather than a paper clip, and I actually thought, yes, I'm going to do that. Then there is a Simon card. I do love Simon. Simon's ace. And the detail in this is just fabulous, because what I like about this is that there are the cards from previous months up there. I think that's ace. Absolutely ace. Love the attention to detail. Then we've got 2 sheets of stickers. I've got some more decorative ones of flowers and birds, and these are hole reinforcements. So they've got the hole and then they've got the dot in the middle. So yeah, so there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 of those, and there's 6s. So yeah, so you could do a bit of a mixture on those. They're all going to make things look a bit prettier. Then there are these stamps, and these stamps are, quite frankly, ace. Again, for a Simon fan, we're going to like them. So let me just get the card out, or a sheet of stickers will do, won't it? So we have Simon with his bird nerd t-shirt on and all the birds around him. Then tomorrow, the magical day when everything gets done, quite like that. Couple of birds and a pencil and a Pen Gems pen stamp, so that's really cute. I like that. I don't do enough stamping, I don't think. I want to do some more going forward. Then I was a bit surprised to have 2 of basically the same thing but in different colours. So these, I think we had one of these in the December kit, and I have to be very honest, because you know, I will be honest, It's like a fake leatherette type affair, and I'll be honest, I just don't like the feel of it. So I suspect these are going to be probably given away or sold in a big bundle of things that are, because I need to have a serious destash and sort out. So yeah, so nice, just not really my thing, but again, classified, you're not going to know what's there, you take your chances, don't you? And then 2 rolls of washi, some Birds Online washi, which is, you know, dead basic, nice and black and white, will go with anything. And then this rainbow stripe one, which I've opened already, and I really like this one. This is cool. I mean, I have a thing for stripes and I have a thing for rainbows, so I was always going to like this washi. There you go. Isn't that fab? I just think that's gorgeous. Really, really nice. So there we go. That is the sticker sub and the planner classified. And yeah, I've already started a little bit on my May setup. I was away at Cam's PlannerCon this weekend, so I took my Boss Babe Kate with me, just because I feel this leather kind of travels quite well, and I'm a little less precious about this one for some reason. So I've started some of my little setupy bits, started playing around, dug out some of the September things. So yeah, I just started putting some of the dividers and stuff in, but I need to obviously do the rest of my setup and finish playing around and stuff, so that's going to be good. Not sure if I'm going to stick with Kate for May. I will probably switch around. I do have, that I've been playing with, I have a B6 Lush in ballerina slipper. Is it ballerina slipper or just ballerina? Can't remember. With a spare set of rings in, and it works. It works, guys. It works to make Lush personal rings. So I will definitely do a video on that at some stage. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed this little look at the extras as promised. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think to sticker sub? Are you excited for it? Or do you feel that you might have enough stickers already, or other sources of stickers? What's your sort of take on it? And as ever, I hope you have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.